silent experiments,
magic and mayhem,
facts and fun.
and today, check out how to do this.
Looking good.
Yeah,
Wow!
that's a funny
Wow!
bunny.
Yeah.
Over to Stacy and Seth.
Today we're going to make bunny pencil holders. Let's get started. In this activity, we're going to be using paint,
Tissue roll,
paintbrush,
plate,
googly eyes,
scissors,
glue.
and paper.
So the first thing is to take the paint, our blue paint, and put it on the paper plate.
My favorite color.
Yeah,
That's enough.
I think it's enough.
Yeah. Now we're going to paint the paper roll.
Yeah.
The tissue roll.
So you hold it, I paint it.
Okay. Now you're gonna make me get paint on my fingers.
No, I'm not going to paint your fingers. So I'm going to paint it in super blue.
Now I'm going to start cutting the bunny ears. So what I'm gonna do is fold the paper in half, like so. And then I'm going to take my scissors and cut out a pair of ears. Now that we've let it dry for a bit, we're going to add the base. Just like that. Maybe we should make it a bit bigger, but that's for you guys to do at home. If it doesn't work, make a bit of a bigger base.
Yeah,
So yeah.
because it can't work without the base.
Yeah. The pencils would just be falling out.
Yeah. So the next thing is the mouth, right?
Yeah.
So we waited for it to dry and it's all dried up.
Yeah.
As you can see, it's looking good.
Yeah. That's a funny bunny.
Yeah. So we made a few others,
Yeah.
like this one.
I made this
This
one.
one.
Yeah. So they can store pencils and a lot of other things, like just like rulers and erasers and things that you need for school.
Yeah, let's test it out. Gonna take some pencils. It works!
Yeah, as you can see, I'm gonna put some in this one too. Whew.
And this keeps your pencils from going all over because it's
Yeah.
so stable and it's pretty. Please make sure you try this at home and tag us at #Semaslab. This is Seth.
This is Stacy.
And this is Sema's Lab!
Stay connected with me on the Super Sema YouTube channel.